Cebu is filled with tourist destinations that showcase its rich cultural heritage. In fact, there are so many heritage sites in the province that one would not be able to visit all of them within the day. To provide a rich experience of the Cebuano culture and heritage, the Culture and Heritage Unit of the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated initiated the Gabii sa Kabilin.
Gabii sa Kabilin, or Night of Heritage, is an annual heritage event held here in Cebu City, wherein for one night, for 6 hours from 6 p.m. to 12 midnight, museums and heritage sites open to the public, and the public can access these sites using only one ticket. For the past maybe 7 years, Gabii sa Kabilin has expanded to 4 cities. No? So these are the cities of Cebu, Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu, and Talisay. And 29 heritage sites and museums are found in these 4 cities.
The Gabii sa Kabilin features cultural shows, exhibits, children's activities, food fairs, and other activities, all in one night. The participants may visit any of the 29 participating heritage sites with just one ticket that costs only 150 pesos.
So they can start at any site because the ticket also gives them rides, free rides in GSK designated buses and tartanillas, or horse-drawn carriages. But there are also museums. There are museums that are located close together, so they can. There's also a walking segment of Gabii sa Kabilin. Basically, this is in the downtown area of Cebu.
Having started in 2007, the Gabii sa Kabilin is currently in its 12th year and has provided various themes to give a different experience with each year.
So this year the theme is Balangay, which celebrates the pre-colonial roots of Visayan culture. So this year there are selected museums that will show or present different aspects of pre-Hispanic Filipino culture in the Visayas.
Other than the activities, participants may also join the competitions which revolve around the heritage sites.
So for the competitions and special activities for Gabii sa Kabilin this year, we have the Heritage Hunt. This is the second run of the Gabii sa Kabilin Heritage Hunt. And then the second one is the, we've always had this for several years already, the Gabii sa Kabilin Children's Activities at Casa Gordo Museum. And then the third one is the Gabii sa Kabilin vlogging contest, which is also in its second run. And then the latest one, which is we are introducing this year, is the Gabii sa Kabilin phonography contest.
With a 150 peso ticket, participants can join the blogging, vlogging, and phonography competitions and submit their entries online through the Gabii sa Kabilin Facebook page.
For more details and mechanics of the different activities of Gabii sa Kabilin, go to the official Gabii sa Kabilin Facebook page at Gabii sa Kabilin Cebu. Okay. And you may also visit the RAFI, or Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated website at RAFI, www.rafi.org.ph for more information about Gabii sa Kabilin and special activities. So I'm inviting everyone to participate in this year's Gabii sa Kabilin and revisit and rediscover the pre-colonial roots of Filipino culture with our special exhibits and presentations on pre-Hispanic Visayan society. And also, this experience is for everyone, for families, for Filipinos from different parts of the Philippines, not just Cebuanos, and also for international guests. So Gabii sa Kabilin once again will be held on May 25, 2018 from 6 p.m. to 12 midnight.
The Gabii sa Kabilin is a perfect time to explore Cebu and learn about its heritage. So make sure to visit the Gabii sa Kabilin Facebook and website. Once again, this is Raya Denise de Guzman for MyTV Cebu.